In front of me is Nothing Phone 2A, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use Keyboard Clipboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and tapping on Clipboard at the top of it. Then to activate it, use this switcher at the top right corner. And then to use it, go back to your standard keyboard by tapping on arrow at the top left corner. Following that, you need to copy or cut any text, and to paste it, click on it at the top of your keyboard. You can also tap on Clipboard and paste it by clicking on it over here. To pin one of your added sentences, use this pen at the top right corner, click on the chosen one and use pin icon. You can unpin it the same way. To delete one of your added sentences, use the same pen, click on the chosen ones and this time click on bin next to the pin. Lastly, to disable Clipboard completely, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!